So we said that we need to find equivalent fractions. You have 2/3, and then you have 2/6. And remember, we said you find an equivalent fraction by finding your LCD. This is the other way now that we're going to go over and check to see if we get our same answer. We find the least common multiple of our denominators by listing the multiples of your denominator. So you have 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. And then for 3, you have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and you can continue on. And now we can see that our least number that we share is 12. Of course, they also share 18, like we saw over here when we did the bar model. But because we're doing the LCD and we're listing the multiples, you're going to find the least common. Sorry, no. The least common multiple they share is not 12. It would be 6. So you see that they meet at 6, both of them. So 2/3 is the same thing as 4/6, and 2/6 is the same thing as 2/6. And we should double check. We know that 3 times 2 is equal to 6. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 6 times 1 is equal to 6. And 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Now that we are done finding equivalent fractions, we know that we can subtract the new fractions and keep the denominators. So 4/6 minus 2/6, or you're taking 2/6 from 4/6, you're left with 2/6 because 4 minus 2 is equal to 6. And you can rewrite this as 1/3. And just in case you're wondering, again, you know that you can divide both your numerator and your denominator by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. You know how to do this by finding the greatest common factor of both your numerator and your denominator. So you find factors of both your numerator and your denominator, and then you go ahead and divide by the greatest number that they share.